Once upon a time, in a small fishing village, lived a little gull named Gus. Gus was not like the other gulls. He had bright blue feathers that shimmered in the sunlight. One day, Gus noticed a shiny object glimmering in the sand. It was a beautiful pearl. Gus picked it up and felt its smoothness. He held it close to his heart, dreaming of the adventures he could have with it. The next morning, Gus decided to embark on a journey to the big city. He had heard stories about its grandeur and wanted to see it for himself. Gus spread his wings and took off, following the direction of the setting sun. During his journey, Gus met many new friends. There was a wise old turtle who taught him about the stars, a friendly whale who showed him the ocean's depths, and a clever fox who showed him shortcuts through the forest. Upon reaching the big city, Gus was amazed. The city was indeed grand, but it was not as beautiful as the pearl he found. Gus realized that the real treasure was not in the city, but in the friends he made along the way. With a smile on his face, Gus decided to return home. He wanted to share his journey with the other gulls and show them that adventures are not about the destination, but about the friends you make along the way. When Gus returned, he was welcomed with open wings. The other gulls were amazed by his tale and his newfound wisdom. Gus shared the pearl with them, reminding them that true treasure is found in friendships. From that day forward, Gus was no longer just a gull like the others. He was Gus, the adventurer, the storyteller, and the friend. And every night, as the sun set, Gus would tell stories of his adventures, reminding them all that every journey, no matter how far, is made special by the friends you make along the way. The end.